Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best taser. Here are the top 3 tasers that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Police Rechargeable Stun Gun. The gadget combines a stun gun flashlight combination which delivers power and rapid stun attacks. The LED flashlight can be used as a tool for personal protection by diverting the contact of the attacker through beaming the light in the eyes. This gun, designed for self-defense, is manufactured from strong ABS plastic with a secured rubber coating for longevity and improved performance. The size of the gun is 7.5 long, which comes with a free holster case and an on-off safety switch which protects the user from accidental shocks. The gun can be plugged in an outlet socket for a quick and complete recharge with no batteries required. At number 2. SABRE Self-Defense Kit with Taser and Flashlight. SABRE Self-Defense Stun Gun features a 1.25 UC charge, producing a strong, quivering effect on the attacker. It possesses an anti-grab bar feature that hinders the individual from stealing the equipment through sudden shocks. The built-in 120-lumen flashlight aids in unlocking doors or finding essentials within closed spaces like bags or purses. The stun gun comes with a wrist wrap and a belt holster for efficient safekeeping of the equipment. The safety switch feature on the gun prevents accidental discharge, helping the user feel safe and easy with it. At number 1. VIPERTEK Taser with LED Flashlight. A heavy-duty stun gun that provides sudden thrusts and shocks combined with an LED flashlight to deliver optimum results. The gun comes with shock plates on the sides to restrict an offender from embezzling the equipment. The contoured grip handle helps in hand alignment, making it convenient and simple to hold while performing tasks. The taser includes an internal rechargeable battery that can be plugged in outlets for quick completion of the process. It also includes a charging cord. The device has sparked, sharp electrodes that helps penetrate through thick tires and render a rapid shock delivery. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.